Hello guys! Kumusta ang lahat? Here's another episode of What's Your Food for Today here in Cagayan de Oro. Because lunchtime na, we can't decide where to eat so nandito na lang kami nagpunta sa Boy Zugba. Ang cute kasi ng interior nila, ang dami nilang pahugot lines. And here comes ate. Nagpa-mini games muna siya while we're waiting for our food. Meron din silang placemat na may puzzle for kids. May pa-dipping station sila. At ang order namin guys is chicken skin, sinigang na salmon sa miso. Soup pa lang nila guys, makakapawi na ng pagod. At yung chicken skin nila, crispy na, juicy pa. Tapos guys, umorder kami ng seaweed ensalada with native vinegar. Super sarap pala nito, try nyo din. Bagay na bagay sa in-order naming lechon kawali. Sa dami ng sausawan dito, hindi mo na alam kung anong uunahin mo. Kasi lahat masarap. Kaya if you visit CDO, try nyo na rin dito guys. Thank you for watching!